Man, these look so good. Fresh made Risol, vegan. They smell bauenak. Smells so good. Mantap. Selamat pagi teman-teman. Nama saya Michael Bule. Saya bikin risol dengan Yanti, teman Yanti. Check it out. These are vegan egg rolls. They are delicious. They're made with vermicelli and carrot. Vermicelli dan wortel. This is our filling. It's vermicelli. Correction. It's vermicelli, wortel, garlic, and bawang.
Yeah, daun bawang.
Yeah, bawang. Duan bawang.
Daun bawang.
Daun bawang. Yeah. I have no idea how to roll this. Saya Bule.
Buat risol.
Saya Bule, Bikin, Risol, Indonesia. See if I can do it like this. Ah, gitu. Look at that. Tight. The trick with the beginning of the goreng, the frying process, is that the oil's got to be really hot so that the shell of the egg roll stays closed, so that the rice paper basically becomes encrusted quickly. Otherwise, it'll unravel and you'll get loose material on the inside. The oil will get on the inside and kind of make a mess of your minyak. Man, these look so good. Fresh made risol, vegan. They smell bauenak. Smells so good. Mantap. All right, here is the finished product. It's crispy. Smells delicious. Enak. Saya Suka. I like it. It tastes great. This is my breakfast. This is sarapan. Saya enggak. Ini sarapan untuk saya. What I also like to do with a lot of Indonesian food, I like sauces. I don't like soup, but I like sauces. This is a homemade peanut sauce, kacang sauce, Dengan sambal. It's with the Indonesian chili sauce that's made. We make it from scratch. Saya Suka. I like it. Flavor explosion.